Andarki namaskaram. Good morning to everyone. Let me introduce myself. Okay, that will be good. I'm C.V. Rao. I'm Chief Technology Officer in Annapurna Studios. I think there are very minimal people in the auditorium, I think, from the film industry. May I know how many are they from the film industry? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and Muthu sir. Good morning. Yeah, it will be very interesting. I'm happy to be here. This is the first time I'm coming to Thai Global Summit. It's very interesting, and thanks to the organizers, especially like Shalini, who reached out to me and asked to come here. Even though we are very busy now delivering a couple of projects for this week release, I had to come here because to meet all the people and share the knowledge. So yes, Annapurna Studios has been into film industry for over 50 years. It's founded by Dr. Akkineni Nageshwar Rao. He's a legendary actor. He acted in more than 456 feature films in southern part of languages. Now he's headed by Akkineni Nagarjuna. You must be knowing, he's a very popular actor in India. So we are one of the leading the film production studio in India. So we have different verticals. We produce feature films, we produce OTT content, and we have Film Academy because the talent is very important for the film industry, right? Sometimes infra, you can go for the loans to raise the funds, or like you can invite the investors to gather the funds to buy the infra. But what about the team? Team is so crucial, right? The team is the one who operates the infrastructure and make it run and make it successful. So that's keeping that in mind, we have started Film College, generating the talent for different verticals like direction, the scripting, the visual effects, and the cinematography. All that is one vertical we have, and we also have post-production studio. It's one of the leading studio in India. We handled like Bahubali, RRR, Pushpa. Now we are handling Varanasi currently, and Raja Saab also is coming this Friday. And also like we always will be in the forefront to bring the new technology to India. So during COVID, everyone, most of filmmakers, they were afraid to go to the location and shoot films. Then we have thought of like, is there any technology that we bring to our studio where filmmaker can come to our studio, shoot their film within the studio itself, not traveling outside, not traveling to any location. That's where we got into LED virtual production. So that is one of the largest virtual production stage in India. So now the COVID is nowhere and people are still prefer to go to location and shoot. And we are still promoting the technology. There are filmmakers who is coming and shooting on LED virtual production stage. And also recently we have come up with motion capture technology. You may be wondering, how come you are bringing motion capture technology? This AI, because AI is growing day to day, and why do you need it? But the filmmakers, some filmmakers, they are very particular about getting precise information for their feature films. It's not like AI. Will it listen to you? It may listen to you once or twice, not many times. But the filmmakers, they want to do more iterations to get the quality, to get what they want. So that's always like the motion capture technology will give very precise information. Recently, we shot a couple of sequences for the movie called Varanasi. And there are many filmmakers coming forward to use the technology. So this is a bit of